driving from my work, driving on 66 at around 2 p.m. and I'm all by myself here on I-66. Going westward. No other cars, just by myself. This is February 6, 2010 at around 2 p.m. And this is going near the exit going to Manassas. Pretty sight on the trees, the snows on the trees alongside I-66. Nice to drive when you're all by yourself here. Road is all going to yourself. King of the road. Wow. And a couple of vehicles on the other opposite direction. And then this is the Virginia Visitor Center on the right side. Still no other cars.